Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Nissan Maxima. First, gather your tools like a wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, and new oil and filter. Make sure your car is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands for safety. Then, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter, usually found underneath the engine. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change. Now let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out immediately. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once it's a slow drip, you can replace the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Next, it's time to replace the filter and add fresh oil. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.